Hello, everyone. How are you all doing? Hello. Happy Mother's Day to you, every woman out there. Happy Mother's to every mother's out there. God bless you all, and happy Mother's Day wherever you are. And thank you for those that are subscribed to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. God bless you for sharing my videos, for commenting, and for liking this my video. Thank you very much. For those that have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you still waiting for? Press that subscribe button as you are watching me. As you are watching me now, press that subscribe button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's make this work, guys. Without you, there is no me. Thank you very much. I appreciate you all. God bless you so much. Today we are going to be talking about it is very wrong for a married woman to have a lover outside his own. And in my YouTube channel, we talk about things that are happening in our lives, things that are happening in the world, and we give us advice. We give us advice on how to change for those things you are experiencing, for those things that are happening. Stories of things that are happening. We talk about real life stories here. If you want to be a part of this my channel, please subscribe, press the notification button for you to be notified at any time I post a video. Thank you very much. Let's dive into our topic. It is very wrong for you to be married and you still have extramarital affair. You still have a lover outside your home. It is very wrong. My brothers and sisters, my sisters, please stop that life. Don't say because you are in Europe you can do anything, no level, nothing they happen. My sister, that is wrong. It's a wrong orientation. It's not good. It's a wrong orientation. Don't do that. You are married, be married. You have lost that spark, that love that you used to, that happiness you used to have in your marriage. Bring it back. Go back to that time where you were happy. That time where that love was still there. It's not you are no longer happy in your home. It's not enough for you to have a lover outside your marriage. No, you are tired of that. You are tired of that marriage. If you want to work on it, work on your marriage. If you don't want to work on it, you have been working on it, it's not working, and you want to make yourself happy by any means, that is a wrong life. Please, my brother, please, my sister, stop. Yes, stop. It's not good. Seek for a divorce properly. And divorce. Then if you want to start another relationship again, then you cannot start. Not you have not divorced your first husband. You are dating another person. Some women will go extra mile to even have a baby outside wedlock. That baby is not for their man. You are doing this and you say tradition not the play for Europe, tradition not the apple tradition tradition not the art for Europe, juju not the work for Europe, not be Europe, nothing they happen. My brother, when you start living that life, as a married woman, be married. Marriage is not meant for every woman. No. Once you are married, respect your man. Don't cheat on your husband. Extramarital affair is not good. You start experiencing negativity in life. You start experiencing bad luck. You start experiencing things that are not good. And you say maybe you will be thinking that na normal thing will happen for you. It's not normal. What you have, maybe things you are going through right now, it's not normal. It's not normal. When you pay your bride price, you promise to live in peace. You promise to remain faithful. Be faithful. Even when you are no longer experiencing that love, if you are no longer experiencing that love, the highest thing you can do is to divorce. If you can bring back the love, bring back the love. Go back to the time when you were happy. Go back to the time when you once loved that man. There was a time when you once loved that man. That thing that make you leave that thing that makes you to leave your marriage will make you to leave the second one if you fail to work on that thing. If you fail to work on that thing, work on yourself. Sometimes this fault actually comes from us. Work on yourself. Sometimes the fault comes from the man. If it's what you can work on it. If it's what you cannot work on, you have been bearing for a long time. Before that man give you a happy, run, go. You can go. Don't say you can go. Don't say because you don't want your friends to laugh at you. You don't want people to laugh at you. People will laugh anyway. People will laugh anyway. People will mock you. Let them mock. Not their mock, they mock. Not be your own. Don't say I'm afraid what people will say. I'm afraid what people will say. No. Don't be ashamed what people will say. Don't be afraid of people. What people will say. In life, don't say because we are in Europe, you have the right to live nonsense life. You have the right to live a wayward life. Now Europe today now. Nobody there now when they control me. Control yourself. Nobody there when go. Nobody there yourself when go tell me what to do. Who be this man? Respect your man. A lot of women, they are begging their boyfriend to just do introduction. I beg, or just pull it from my hand. Their boyfriend did not do that. You that they paid a bride price in her head, you are messing up. You are doing all sorts of nonsense. All the name of I don't love her, got the name of this and that. If you feel say it's easy, why does all your friends never marry? If you feel say easy, why does your friends never marry? It's not easy. To be married is not easy. Use your hand to maintain your home. Maintain your own. Fight for your man. Fight for your man. Fight for your man. He's doing what you don't like. Tell him. It's not enough for you to start shitting on him. It's not enough. You might feel juju not they work until they happen. Something will happen someday. You might start experiencing setback. Things will no longer be working right. Things you will start experiencing difficulties. These are things that follows. Stop it and beg for forgiveness. Make your marriage work. Go back to that time when you once loved that man. Where have you lost it? Go back to that place where you have lost it. Pick it up again. If that man truly loves you. If that man truly loves you. Work on yourself. Work on yourself. Work on yourself. It is very important. Work on yourself. You want to marry, stay married. You don't want to be married anymore. Seek for a divorce. It's not hard. You are not the first to start it. And you will not be the last. You are not the first to start it. You will not be the last. You don't have to be married and still have a boyfriend. That is a wrong life. By so doing, you are actually telling the unmarried young men to not get married. Which the way you are living your life, some unmarried young men will see it and say, no, all women are the same. I beg, I go marry. What it go make me even myself? Why I'm not say even when I'm married, the woman not go dey faithful. Now things like that I can't see for marriage. God forbid, I'm not married. You are succeeded in destroying marriages of people. You have succeeded in destroying the marriages of people. In life. In life. We should learn to do the right thing in life. Nobody is perfect. Not even you. Not that boyfriend that you have. Not that boyfriend that you have. Nobody is perfect. Don't say juju not dey work for Europe. You know the work. Things is going wrong. You are no longer experiencing good things. You are negative thing. This is the work of this. This is no longer working right. Go back, go and beg that man, and live live right. Live like a married woman. Live like a married woman. Oyibo, they do this one. You not be Oyibo. You are not Oyibo. You are not white. You are from Africa. We don't live like that in Africa. Don't say even some Oyibo. Many Oyibo women not the shit on their man. Many. If you want to live like Oyibo, they know the shit on their man. When they love you, they love you. More talk Oyibo now. Don't say my friend they do one. Now your friend will be that. When you start experiencing negativity in life, not be you not go save her. When you start experiencing negativity in life, you not go save you. He don't go save you. Choose this day to live right, okay? My brothers, my sisters. Choose this day to live right. It is very important for you and for your family and for your children. Thank you very much for watching me so far. God bless you all and stay blessed, guys.